Okay, children, read what is given on what is written on the blackboard. Read. Add the numbers given on the left. Draw circle around the total of them. Look at the board, all of you. Add means adding. Add means adding. The numbers given on the left on the left. Draw circle around the total of them. Okay. First we do the example. Okay. Read what is this? 42. And this one? 26. How many ones are there in 42? How many ones are there in 42? 2 ones. How many tens are there? 4 tens. How many ones are there in 26? How many tens are there in 26? 2. So in the previous class we learned what we learned when we were adding the numbers, add ones to ones, tens to tens. Okay, now add ones to ones. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 ones. Here how many ones are there? 1, 2. So we draw lines. Now add how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ones 8. Next tens. How many tens are there here? 2 tens. 2 tens means 1 10, 2 tens. So these are bundles. 10 bundles. Next 4. 1, 2, 1 bundle, 2 bundle, 3 bundles, 4 bundles. Now add tens to tens. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So tens 6. 68. Where is 68? Opposite. Yes, 62, 68, 88. So 68 is the right answer. That's why we circle around it. Understood? How to do the problem? Okay. Now who can do the next problem? You? Come forward. Everyone observe carefully. Say loudly. What are you saying? You ఏమనుకుంటున్నావు? గట్టిగా అనుకుంటే nine tens. Here, right here. Right here. 9 tens. Once. Count once. 4. Write 4 also here. 4 here. Write 4 lines. Once also 9. First we add ones. Then we add tens. Okay? 9 ones, 9 tens. How much? 9. Yes. Alekya, you have done very well. Claps all of you. Go. Very good. Next who will do? Next who can do? Come. What's your name? Pavantej. Can you do the problem? Okay. Do it. Next problem. This one. This one. Only once. Ah. 6 plus ones. First we add ones to ones. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Right here 8. Next tens. How many tens are there? 2 only. So there is no tens. So you write 2 tens. 2 only. 28. Okay. Circle. Where is it? Yes. Is it right, children? Very good. Claps. All of you. Next. Who can do? Next. What's your name? Ishit Kumar. Can you do the next problem? Can you do or not do? This one. Read. Do. Children, all of you, observe. Yes. Count once. Eight. Ones, tens. How many ones? 8 ones. Next, count tens. 6 tens, 60. 8 ones, 8. 68. Where is it? 68. Opposite. Yes, children. Is it correct, children? Then clap for Ishit. Well done. Next, who will do next? Can you do? Come. Yes, once. Wait. You will do next. What's your name? Nikita. Okay. Hey, Shivam. Here. 43 plus. What is this? Whole number. 43 plus. Okay, do. Next. There is bundles. How many bundles are there? How many tens are there? Ones, tens. Tens 4 only. Why are you drawing another tens? How many ones are there? Ones only. 1, 2, 3. Next. Here 6. Is there any tens here? Tens unnaya ikkada? First add ones to ones. How many? 9. Yes. Tens. 4 only. Yes. 4, 9. How much? Is it right, children? Yes. Very well done, Nikita. Good. Next, who will do? Can you do? You come. What's your name? Liam. Okay. Do this one. 25 plus 31. Yes. Okay. You can do here. How many ones are there? One side unna ikkada. One unna. Draw one. Okay. How many tens are there? 3 only. Draw 3 tens here. Tens means bundle. 3 bundles. Yes. Okay. 3 tens to 1 ones over. Next here How many ones are there? 5. Okay. Draw 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many tens are there? 2. Bundles. These are bundles. Tens. Okay. Hey, listen children, all of you. Now add ones to ones.